Hello Divinas, welcome back to my channel, The Observer Divina. In the last part, we talked about the silent myths that shape how we think, the ones that limit us without us even realizing. But today, we are going deeper because the truth is, you have been told to think big your whole life, but no one ever explained what that actually means. So let's talk about it. This is what thinking big really looks like, not just in the outer world, but deep inside your mind and your spirit. But what is thinking big? It's not just dreaming of luxury or success. It's not just becoming a billionaire or an influencer. Thinking big is unlearning the myths, unlearning everything society told you about what's possible and what's not. It's choosing to believe that you can be good looking and wise, you can be soft and sharp, you can be in love and focused, you can shine in every area of life, not just one. Let me tell you something spiritual now. Everything in this universe is useful. Even the tiniest ant has a purpose. Even dust has a role. Even silence serves healing. So if they are not useful, then how could you ever be? You were not born to shrink into boxes created by others. You were born to expand, to shine, to become everything that you are meant to be. So break the myths, set your mind free. You are not too much, you are not asking for too much. You are just becoming everything you were always meant to be. And trust me, you can be everything all at once. If this message reached your soul, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's grow together beyond every myth. You are not alone, Divinas. You are expanding.